Scott Walker posted, glad to hear that you started with a temperature controller and a crock pot. He says, I still use a similar setup. It works great. Am I missing all that much by not using a circulator? And my answer to that is I don't think so. If it works for you, then great. Circulators are really nice. My crock pot was an old crock pot. It didn't work really well. And it would take, I tried doing ribs. This is when I really gave up on it and just never used it again. I tried doing ribs at 176 degrees, and it took, I think, 4.5 hours for it to get up to temperature, which people talk about, oh, it doesn't matter how powerful it is because you can use hot tap water, whatever, but 4.5 hours to get up to temperature is ridiculous. And it didn't hold the temperature very well, and so I really struggled with that. If it's working for you, then stick with it. There's nothing wrong with it if it works for your needs. The wand style circulators like the Innova and the Joule do have some benefits. You can use different size pots, which is nice. I think it's a 12-quart polycarbonate container. Normally the one from LaPavi, Rubbermaid makes one as well. And I like that a lot. It works really well. But when I have parties, I can use their really big container that can fit 4 or 5 racks of ribs in. So having that, the ability to use bigger containers is really helpful if you have people over or entertain quite often. So I think that's the only thing that I would say you're really missing. If you really want the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and stuff, then that's one thing you can do, but it's a lot of people don't need that, or they don't need to turn it on from home. So if it works for you, don't worry about spending the money on something else. Get a nice piece of prime ribeye or something like that instead of buying a circulator, and you should be just happy.